Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log cells in Excel. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular and easy to use software. It was created by Microsoft and it allows users to organize and format data in rows and columns format. In this video, we will show you that we can log cells in Excel and protect them with the password. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Excel. You can just open your document or your file that you want to log. Now you can just click left on the corner in here. You can click right. There is an option format cells. You can just click on that. Click on protections. Now it's locked. You can checklist unlock. You can confirm by click on OK. Now you can select on the cells that you want to lock. You can click right. Choose on format cells. On the protection, you can uncheck list the lock and you can choose, so this one. You can choose on the cells that you don't want to lock. Click right. Click format cells. You can uncheck list and click on OK. Now you can go to review. Click on protect sheet. You can enter password to protect or lock your cells, or if you don't want to use password, it's okay. Now you can just click on OK. Now when we want to edit the cell, you can see we can't edit this part, so you can only edit this part, and these cells we can't because we have locked it. And also for this, it's very simple, right? So that is how to lock, how to protect cells in Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!